Hello, I am the manufacturer of closed-cell neoprene tape based in China. Our neoprene tape is designed for sealing, insulation, and cushioning in a variety of applications. It's made from durable closed-cell neoprene, offering excellent water resistance and flexibility. When using this product, ensure the surface is clean and dry for the best adhesion. Our tape comes in various specifications, length from 1 to 10 meters, width from 10 to 50 millimeters, and thicknesses from 0.5 to 10 millimeters, providing options to meet your needs.